How to do blue comment on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, have you ever seen those cool blue comments on TikTok and wondered how to do them? Then today we are going to show you how you can exactly add blue text in your comments and stand out in the TikTok community. So let's just get started. So first, let's quickly go over about what a blue comment is. So a blue comment on TikTok is a comment where the text appears in blue and it usually indicates the comment that it is either a verified account or a special highlight, and it's a fun way to grab someone's attention and then add some personality in your comments. So let's just dive right into and see how can we create a blue comment as well. So one of the easiest way to make your comment stand out in blue is using a blue heart emoji or blue square emoji. You can use that, and you can just go to the comment section of any of the TikTok video, and in the comment you're gonna type in emoji in blue heart or blue square and insert your comment. After you add the emoji, type in your text, comment, and hit send, and you should see your comment appear with that cool blue icon next to your text. Now, if you already have a verified account on TikTok, your comment will automatically appear in blue. Blue comments are typically seen from a verified accounts, creators, or public figures. So if you're already a verified TikTok, all your comments will appear in blue automatically, so you don't need to worry about any special codes or tricks. Or if you don't have that, another trick you can use to create a highlighted text or special styling is using by specific characters. Otherwise, to really get noticed with your blue comments, you're gonna go ahead and look up for the famous videos. Make sure you're commenting on popular and trending videos and type in the famous words there, so that when you type it in, it will be finding something like this. For example, in my screen right now, this "My Guilt Will Not Beautify Me" is turned blue, which means it is something a trend going on right now, or it is something popular right now. So the more engagement of a video it has, the more likely the people are going to see your blue comment as well. So when you leave a comment on videos that are currently trending, you are more likely to get noticed, and your comment will be standing out. So these are the steps you can follow up in order to create a blue comment on TikTok, whether it's through emojis or using a verified account or looking out for different trends going on TikTok. That will help you, make your comment blue. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you've got any questions or need further help, let me know in the comments below. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.